Nectarines and marshmallow fluff add a new twist on this great classic. Hey there, Coconetta, my kitchen loony friend. Hey, are those the farm fresh eggs? Yeah, they're healthier than store-bought eggs. The chickens roam free to eat up all the natural stuff. You'll need a blind baked pie shell for this. Watch that video next. Whisk your sugar and cornstarch all together at first. Then add in your hot water. This way prevents the cornstarch from lumping up. Zest your lemon right on in before you squeeze the juice out. And be careful, don't go all the way down to the white part because it's bitter. A lifetime supply of the best cheesecake this side of the galaxy. That too. Did you hear that? Oh no, I recognize that hunk. Oh, you thought you could come in here and take the peach for yourselves, huh? Our 2 lemons gave us the 3rd cup. Oops, fish out the seeds. Add in 2 tablespoons of butter and stir constantly on medium heat. Stir constantly until it thickens to something like a pudding. See how it trails behind the whisk? This takes forever. Well, look who's not invited to the party. I'm the life of the party, the joke that never quits. And you all have been so rude to not include me in this frosting-fueled fiesta. Time to crash the peach fest, darlings! Then temper it into your egg yolks. You raise the yolk temperature without making scrambled eggs. Put it back on medium and stir constantly until it's super duper thick. You put it on medium heat for a more controlled rise in temperature and cooking. If you go over 180 degrees, your yolk proteins could separate, and that's not good. Fold in 2 cups of thin sliced nectarines. If you want a firmer filling, lay your slices on paper towels at the very beginning before you start anything. The meringue top is next. Oh no, it's one of those I'm mad 'cause no one plays with me villains. How original. Oh geez Louise, someone didn't get enough cake at their birthday party. Well, if chaos is what she's bringing, then she's about to get the cakewalk. Lesson in manners. Whisk 1 tablespoon of cream of tartar into your whites. We had just enough. 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. Whisk these until there's clouds on top. See? Just like that. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and add in a cup of marshmallow fluff, a tablespoon or a glop at a time. And watch this nifty way we get the whisk out clean. Time to ruin your day! Thanks for the wheel, suckers! And the peach! Oh, ho, ho! That's mine now, too! Carefully dab the meringue around the edges. Make sure it adheres to the crust. Make sure you also have a lot of fun swirling and twirling the meringue. Put it back in the middle of the oven and bake for 20 minutes. But it doesn't end here. Wait a second. Isn't that? That's my spaceship. I found it in the back of Big Val's pantry. She stole it. She's not getting away with that, Peach, or your ship. You don't want it to weep like ours did. Ours was a little warmer than room temperature. Let it sit on the counter for 3 to 4 hours and let it cool to room temperature. The marshmallow fluff makes it take longer than regular lemon meringue pie. Then put it in the refrigerator for 5 hours. Overnight is best. Fierce and fabulous! Oh, honey, you do not steal from this dessert squad. This chase just got frosty. We're taken to the skies. Let's go.